Hi and welcome to CIB TV. My name is Matt.
And I'm Zain, and on this week's episode, we're talking about DEWALT's brand new half-inch impact range.
So we're going to be talking.
We're going to be getting into the nuts and bolts of it too.
Oh, okay. So let's jump right into it.
Let's take ourselves up to the sky. I ain't talking about an airplane. We found a better way to fly.
So this is the DCF891. It's DEWALT's new mid-torque impact range. Brushless motor fitted with a half-inch anvil that's got a hog ring in it. It will push out a maximum of 812 Newton meters of torque. From the outside, the main difference you're going to notice is DEWALT's updated keypad mode selector. You can switch between 4 different modes. Mode 1 to 3 will increase your speed and torque of the machine, 3 being your maximum. And for all the automotive and car guys out there, when you're using this machine, you want to be in mode 1 with a maximum of 136 Newton meters so you don't strip your wheel nuts. You've also got your updated LED light, which has 2 brightness settings. The tool weighs in at 1.6 kilograms without the battery, and don't forget it's perfectly suited for all 3 types of DEWALT batteries: Power Stack, XR and Flex Volt. Let's have a look at what this thing can do.
Thank you very much, Zain. Just before I take you through the different modes of this machine, for those of you that might not know, the main use of this machine is to drive in fasteners into wood, metal and concrete. So let me take you through the different modes. As you know, this machine comes with 4 modes: 1, 2, 3 and precision. On mode 1, you're getting 136 Newton meters of torque. Mode 2, that is medium, you're getting 407 Newton meters of torque. Mode 3 and precision, you're getting a maximum of 812 Newton meters of torque with a breakaway torque force of 1084 Newton meters. Very impressive for a machine this size. In precision mode, the DCF891 delivers 2000 RPM forward and reverse. The machine will then pause for half a second and impact again at 3250 impacts per minute, this allowing the user great control to prevent damaging the material. In reverse, the DCF891 will run at normal speeds, impacting at a rate of 3250 impacts per minute. Once the machine senses that the fastener is loose, it will reduce the speed and stop the impact.
The thing I love about DEWALT's mid-torque impact ranges is that they give you both power and control thanks to the precision range mode. You'll get that mode on the DCF894 as well as the DCF891. Remember, the 891 is sold as a bare unit only, but it does include the T-Stack carry case. T-Stack is our stackable system. Thanks to the clips on the side, you can join 2 boxes together, making it easy to transport. You can also label your machines so you know exactly what's in each box. Check out our range of storage products. We've got the trolleys and the carts. If you want information on them, the links are in the description below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell everybody about it. We'll catch you on our next one.
Cheers.
I got this ticket out of town. It'll take me anywhere but down. So I think I'll hang out.